welcome back to EdieTV. Snack, no, not a snack attack, a drink attack. Today we're at Vita Coffee in Denver, Colorado. Let's go see what a real coffee shop looks like and what do they do? Come on. We're at a real coffee shop. Can you believe it? It's so cool. Let's go around the counter and see what's at the front. Look at all these drinks. Wow, there's sparkling water, kombucha, and whatever these are. Look, there's snacks too. Whenever you order a drink, you say please. Can I please have some sparkling water?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got sparkling water, the mineral kind. It looks like it's green because the bottle's green, right? It's really cool. Sparkling. Hello, can I please have a vanilla latte?
A vanilla latte?
Just kidding, kids can't have vanilla lattes. Let's go pretend to be barista. Let's go behind the counter and see what a coffee shop is all about. Come on. Don't forget my sparkling water. Look at all this stuff. This coffee maker is named Rosie because she makes coffee and she's the color pink, like a rose. I'm gonna pretend to be the cash register lady. Hello. Hello. What can I get you?
I'd like a black coffee
Okay. Anything else?
and a side of milk.
Okay. Can I get you any whipped cream or anything?
Yes, please.
Okay. That would be that would be $150.
Here you go.
Thank you. Beep, boop, bop, beep, boop, bop. Let's see what else is behind the counter. Come on.
Kat, and I'm the barista here at Vita Cafe.
She's gonna show me how to make a latte. This is gonna be so cool.
This is called our portafilter. So you'll put it right here. And so we're gonna, we do the, so basically we're gonna press this button. Oh! Gotta make sure it's like touching. And then we tamp it down to make sure the grounds are all nice, flat like that. Then you'll put it right here. And this is called a group head.
Yeah. A green pet.
Then this will make the espresso. And then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna grab the milk.
You don't want it to spill.
Right, so you always have to be very
Side
careful with
milk.
it.
And where's the whipped cream? She wants it with whipped cream. Whipped cream.
Well, we'll do whipped cream on top of it, but I'm gonna show you something really cool right now.
Okay. Oh, it stopped.
Yeah, because we have our full espresso shot right there. And we're gonna fill up our milk pitcher.
Milk.
And then we call this our steam wand right here.
Steam.
This is where it gets a bit more technical because basically we want to make sure the wand's in there so that when you turn the steam on, you don't burn yourself. So we always use safety first.
I thought I always heard something like that.
Right. And so right now I'm steaming the milk and making sure it goes in this vortex to make the milk nice and fluffy. Ooh, sorry.
Don't spray. Oop, you just got us something right. Okay.
Okay. So you're just gonna kind
Ooh,
of,
that's the loudest.
I know, you're just gonna swish it around for a second.
Now you grab the coffee and pour the milk. That's a lot of milk and a tiny bit of coffee.
It's got a latte heart.
It looks going down like a waterfall in there.
Right? It looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's really fun. When you
I
used to
don't
make
know if
latte
you can
art.
see in the camera, but look, it's like kind of going down.
See,
Now-
being a barista is pretty fun. Would you like to try this since you're the mom?
Sure.
You can actually drink coffee.
Thank you. Oh, that's so good.
Wait, we forgot to add the whipped cream.
Oh, this one's. That was not cool. Sorry.
Should
Chill
we
on
put
that
a
side.
cherry on top?
We don't have cherries, but I do have caramel.
Ooh. It's like ice cream.
Right?
I want to taste it. Tiny spoon. I'm trying to.
Taste test.
I'm eating whipped cream. I'm just tasting the whipped cream.
So you like it?
I like it.
It's good. Because I made it with love. That's why I put the heart in there. Kat and I'm the barista here at Vita Cafe.
Thanks for joining us, EdieTV. Pretend in the coffee shop. What do you like to pretend? Let me know down below in the comments. It was so much fun.